Welcome to my property tour here in Lake Oswego at 19175 Southwest Pilkington Road. Listed at $2.3 million. Come check out this 5-bedroom, 4-bath at 4,100 square feet. Exquisitely built. Come check it out. So as you come to your home, you're greeted by this 12-foot pivot door here made of Douglas fir. And then to your left, you have a nice sized office transitioning into all this open space. So upon entering your home, you're greeted with this open concept with this oversized kitchen, an amazing living space, perfect for daily living and entertaining guests. Connected to your oversized kitchen, you have this amazing dining area here with views to your backyard and all these windows with all this natural light just pouring in on you. I mean, they paid attention to detail in this property here. This living room here features this linear fireplace, gas with these built-ins, and check out these 3/4 hardwood floors, which you'll find throughout the house. I mean, this house is amazing. Now let's take a look at this perfectly sized primary bedroom with amazing chandeliers, light fixtures, and all this light coming from your private backyard. Now you can start your mornings right in this luxurious bathroom here with dual vanity, heated floors, soak-in tub, your own water room, and a standalone shower. Did I mention this large walk-in closet? Check this out. You have your built-ins here, a lot of storage space, and place for his and hers. This is nice. And as if you didn't have enough entertainment room downstairs, you have more upstairs here. In this TV room, entertainment room, game room, whatever you choose to make it. Check out the accent wall. That's beautiful. So right now we're on the 2nd floor here in another bedroom here with its own ensuite bathroom. Now this bedroom is pretty nice in size with its own walk-in closet as well, leading to our interior balcony here. Now from this balcony, you can view what's going on downstairs here in the living room, and you can also see what's going or coming in from the front door here. Then you have one other bathroom, a bedroom, and another bedroom, all on the 2nd floor. So thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, watching this video tour. Like and subscribe. Make a comment on things you want to see in the future. See you soon.